All right, what's going on, y'all? So I am going to demonstrate a plyometric workout that people over 40 can use to maintain and regain their ability to jump. Jumping is so important, not only for the sake of athleticism, but also to prevent you from falling, like to be able to make quick moves if you had to move side to side or that, different kind of things. It's a good idea to be able to kind of maintain and regain your ability to jump. Okay, so we're gonna go really in order from, I'll say, easiest to more advanced plyometric moves. I'm gonna start out with warming up for 2 minutes, jumping rope. All right, 2 minutes. All right, so here we go. So I warmed up for 2 minutes with a jump rope. This first thing I'm gonna do with my ladder is just bunny hops. A single jump, both feet at the same time in between each rung of the ladder. Now, you don't have to have a ladder. You can draw with chalk on your driveway or something like that, or you can just jump. It doesn't really matter. You can just do the number of jumps. But the key is, quick jump and quick rebound, okay? So that's how it is, okay? So this is how we're gonna do it. And we're gonna go down and back. All right, we'll do that again. All right, good. I'm gonna angle this so that you can see me a little better. All right, so this next move that I'm gonna do is gonna be jumping side to side in the rungs, okay? Let me make sure I'm zoomed out enough. So we're gonna go side to side between the rungs, kind of like so, and we're gonna have to be moving up as well. Okay, back. All right, that's good enough. And again, the thing is with those kind of jumps is that a lot of people lose their ability not only to jump and hop, but also to move laterally. And so you figure sudden moves that used to mean nothing for you as a child can mean significant injury as a grown-up, as an adult, because you lack that agility. And so the thing to realize is that you don't necessarily lose that agility because you get older. You lose it because you stop doing stuff like that, okay? All right, now, so the next move I want to do is we're gonna just jump sideways through the whole ladder, down and back, okay? Like this. All right, and then back. All right, good. So that's that. Now the next thing we want to do is we want to jump 1 foot per hole down and back. So a single leg bunny hop. All right, here we go. Oh, let's go back. All right, other leg. All right, so those are single leg bunny hops. Now another thing I could do is do single leg side to side. I'll wait on that for my own sake. I just want to be careful. But all those ladder drills are pretty much in order from least challenging, or I say least advanced, easy to advanced, okay? Now, let's take it to the box. All right, now, we're gonna take it to the box. So I talked about plyometric box jumping a lot. I do it once or twice a week. Now, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do 3 sets of 3 jumps at the 3 heights. So this is 20 inches, 24 inches, and 30 inches. So we're gonna do 3 jumps at each of those heights. Then we're gonna go back down to the lowest height, which is 20. And we're going to do 5 jumps only at that height. And I'll show you how we're gonna do that. All right. All right, so here we go. First, 3 jumps. So we're building up from lower height to higher height for the purpose of making sure that we're warm enough whenever we get to the highest height. Okay, here we go. All right, that's 3 jumps. Now let's go to the next height, 24 inches, 2 feet. All right, now finally, at 30 inches. All right, on 3. 1. All right, now finally, we're gonna do 3 sets of 5 jumps at this height. but they're gonna be continuous. So basically we're gonna jump backwards. We're gonna jump up, then we're gonna bounce back and jump right back up. Bounce back, jump right back up, and so on and so forth, okay? All right, here we go. Oh, that wasn't that good. Okay. All right, I'll let that count as 3. All right, that's 3. All right, so I definitely have some improvement to do because I kind of lose my balance a little bit jumping backwards like that. But the thing is, the more you do the stuff, the more your balance will improve. The key is consistency. That's where the improvements come from. All right, 5 jumps. Let's do it this way. All right, good. Good. Ah, boy. All right, 5 more, we're gonna call it a day. So this little workout has taken me about 20-ish minutes. All right. Oh, man. So that was my plyometric workout, plyometrics only. Make sure you warm up, especially with these Achilles and stuff like that. It's very important. Make sure you stretch afterwards. And if it's certain things that I did that you're not able to do yet or don't have the confidence for, you can wait and maybe do more of the stuff that you can do. But the key is to just kind of keep on gradually progressing. You know, if you feel like you've lost your ability, you probably got to get your confidence back too. So start with bunny hops. Start with that and learn to create that agility and that quickness with that. You might just stay there for a while and just do a workout for 10 or 15 minutes, just doing bunny hops and some of the side to side things, so you can kind of get your confidence back and get that agility and quickness back, okay? But it's so important to learn how to jump again or to retain your ability to jump, not just if you want to get back into basketball or tennis, but also just for the sake of your own health, your youthfulness, your safety. And a lot of times we just kind of go through life and we say we don't, do anything that kids do or the younger people do a lot of the times. And we don't realize that we're setting ourselves up for poor aging process, for injuries and different things like that. So take care of yourself, man. Don't stop jumping just because you turned 40 recently. Matter of fact, it's a good time to get started and to improve. Let me know if this video inspired you. Put something in the comments if you had something in particular that you had a takeaway from this video, and make sure you subscribe as well. Thank you for watching.